As a salesperson, nobody is 100% one-sit closer, and sometimes it takes following up for you to make that magic happen and for you to get the deal. And when it comes to you following up, you do have to have a constraint or end of the contract. So what does this have to do with sunsets and a sunset close? And why does it matter? This is a fantastic question. I'm Scott Bell, coming to you live for HVAC Technician Sales Secrets on a perfect day to talk about closing, sunsets, and a fantastic day to talk about you. I'm coming to you live from Bodega Bay, California. All right, so here's what happens. You meet with a potential client, you have the conversation, you go down the route of, let's get this done today, and they give you the objections of, I want to think about it, I'm talking to other people, I've got a significant other, we're not ready to roll yet. Whatever they happen to give you, there are facts and data that you could use to your advantage, and if you're in specific states, you may want to consult with an attorney, because I'm not one, okay? So let's say today's January 21st, and you give me whatever objection that you give. I have an ace up my sleeve. My proposals for you are good for 30 days and 30 days only. At 30 days, they end and they close out. That means it's over, and we're gonna have to give you a new investment or a new price. Hey, Scott, why does this matter to me? Well, it matters because we're at sunset, right? It's sunset right now. And I call this the sunset close because this is what you do. Consistently over that 30 days, you are going to make phone calls, text messages, send videos, whatever way that you have scripted for your 12 to 15 ways to follow up. And yes, you should absolutely have 12 to 15 ways to follow up after you don't close a deal, okay? And about 21 days in, you're sending a message, hey, Mr. or Mrs. Prospect, Mr. and Mrs. Smith, here's what you need to know. At 30 days, my contract, agreement, what proposal, whatever word you want to use, closes. And what you need to know is it's going to be over. And if your specials are on a basis of ending on a specific date, you can also use this to your advantage, right? So here's what happens. Day 21, Mr. and Mrs. Smith, just wanted to let you know, fantastic meeting with you, would love to do business with you, would love to get the system, the water heater, the air purification, whatever it happens to be that you sell in. But I gotta let you know, our window of opportunity is closing. That special is about to be over. And the next system up, or the next time that we have this conversation, your price is gonna increase or you're gonna lose benefits. Don't lie, don't make up stuff, right? Be truthful and say, hey, here's what you're gonna lose, because there is a loss of gain. And oh, by the way, the sun is setting on this proposal. Now, there's a couple of ways that you could use this to your advantage. You could literally go somewhere, like I'm an hour and a half from 2 hours for me to do this drive. Right? I could record this once and say, hey, this sunset on the special is almost over, and then leave a blank space in and have AI add their names. I can literally flip my camera around and take a picture of the sunset, right? I can shoot a generic video that says, hey, specials and offers are ending, sunset's coming, you got to get this done. And then I send it to them. And then a couple of days later, I send them another reminder, hey, like I either shoot them a video, I shoot them a text message, I get them a picture of the sunset, get a really good picture of the sunset, and say, hey, time's coming to a close, right? And then on the very last day, in the morning, you're gonna send out information that says, hey, sunset's tonight on this deal, whatever time. I live in Pacific Zone, or if I'm out in Hawaii, it's Hawaii time, right? So it's like, at midnight tonight, this proposal is over and we're gonna have to reconfigure. And here's what's gonna happen. Some people are gonna be like, boo, you suck. I can't believe you're putting me under this much pressure. And some people are gonna be like, yawn, I don't care. But where the magic happens is there is a segment of the population that goes, sales dude, technician, plumber, I'm totally in, let's get this done. We all live by constraints, whether it's money, whether it's time, whether it's a date. And you need to know that you can absolutely use a sunset close to your advantage. And like right now, there's some clouds behind here. Like if you're gonna do this, it's like the last 30 minutes of the day, right? You go out to wherever it's gonna be, a field, a mountain, a stream, a desert. Like you don't have to just have it be at the ocean, but if you're gonna travel to the ocean, like this is one of the coolest closes that you could do. Just shoot a 30-second video or a 15-second video. And like the way that you do this with AI is you go, hey name, just wanted to let you know our special is gonna end very soon on this date, and would love to get you in. You're gonna lose out on this special, this special, and this special. And then you put it through like V.io or HeyGen, and it'll put and replace the words for you in your lips, and everything will move. And you can absolutely repurpose that AI to your advantage, all for about 20 bucks a month, right? you should absolutely be using some sort of sunset closing where legal. Like, check out and make sure that you're doing this the legal way, because you don't want to run afoul of a government agency. There you go. You got 1 of 3 things to do from here. Just 1 of 3. Find the subscribe button. Click on it every time I send out a video. You'll get an update. 2, hit follow. 3, share this video with a friend. They'll freaking love it. We'll see you soon. Aloha and mahalo.